guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1968 Chevelle 300 Deluxe. Kind of rare car, beautiful condition. Got Gary, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Gary?
Good, Michael. How are you?
Good. What a pretty car.
Yeah, it's a real nice car. It's 68 300 Deluxe.
Post.
Two-door sedan. Yes, two-door sedan. Yeah, get confused. Butternut yellow, original butternut yellow. It's a pretty car. It's from the West Coast. I bought it last year, and from a person in Connecticut who was originally from the Washington area. It's a real nice cruiser. Currently, it has a 350 crate engine in it.
Okay.
With Headman headers, four-wheel disc brakes, Edelbrock aluminum intake, carb. It's just a real nice cruiser.
It's a super honest car. Beautiful panels, great fitment.
Yeah, the car, I believe, what I was told from the person I bought it from, was restored by the second owner, I think around 2009, 2010. As you can see in the photos, the car is held up really nice.
Gorgeous. Beautiful door panels, God.
Right.
You can't even get these aftermarket.
No, you can't. The only way, there's a company on the West Coast that will reproduce them, but you have to send the door skins to them.
Okay.
It was originally, it was a V8 car, it had a 307 in it, but like I said, when the car was restored, they put a 350 crate engine in it. It does have the original 2-speed Powerglide transmission in it.
Okay. Let's pop the hood.
Yeah, sure.
Pretty.
Yeah, like I said, the four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum intake. The car also does come with another set of wheels, which when I bought it were on the car. They're Torque Thrust 2 polished aluminum wheels with BF Goodrich tires.
Okay.
So they
You're going to include those, huh?
Yes, I will. Yeah.
Electronic ignition. Very nice.
Right. Yeah, I put these
600 under there? 650?
I believe it's a 650. Not 100% sure, but I think so. The tires on the car right now are brand new. The steel wheels are Vintique Series 62. The 15x7s. The torque thrusts that I have are 15x8s. Like I said, they were on the car.
Can you fire it up?
Yeah, sure.
Let's hear this beast. You might help, right?
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, half a turn, baby. Got a nice sound to it, Gary.
Really
reliable.
Nice. It's the perfect car to take down to cruise night.
Yeah.
If you happen to go to a show, I'm sure you're going to pick up a trophy if you're into that.
You won the first place, right?
I took it to one show.
A lot, right? But you did it April?
April, yeah. I took it to one show and I did take first place in it. You can do 70 in this car all day long.
Wow. Just a nice car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339